Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Zoni. So I just want to share you what is my other option if I don't have elastic. Okay, so I've been using this kind of material. Okay, so it's my extra fabric, so I, instead of throwing it, I cut 20 by 2. Okay, so here I have 20 inches long and I have 2 inches width. Okay, so if you have extra fabric, you don't need to throw it or just put it aside. Instead, you are going to cut it same like this kind of pattern. Okay, this is not a pattern, but this is a cut. Okay, so do like this, and then I will show you how you are going to attach it to your face mask. Okay, now I'm going to fold both sides to the middle. Okay, you can use pin or otherwise just hold it. Okay, so both side I fold it and then put it together. Okay, so again fold here. It should be both side meet at the middle. Okay, after that put together, and then you are going to start sewing it. Okay, so I'm going to sew until the end of this fabric. Okay, so now I'm done stitching this. Now I'm going to cut it, get the middle and then cut it. Okay, so remove the thread blisters. Okay, and now you are going to get the edge, both ends, and then find the middle. Okay, so that's the middle, and remember I hold the edge, and then here that's the middle. So now I'm going to cut it. Okay, so now I have 10 inches and then 10 inches long. Okay, now I'm going to attach to my face mask. Okay, so this is all my ready-made face mask. So I just only need to put my my tie. Okay, because I don't have elastic. And then remember, I made this pattern that it's open. Okay, I have filter here, I have pocket for the filter, and then there's another option here. If you have elastic, you can just put your elastic inside. Okay, so it's double purpose. Okay, and this is a 3-ply. Okay, so I have one here, and then middle, and then I have the third layer. Okay, so now I'm going to attach my tie. Okay, so you are going to put it on the edge, or yeah, the edge of this face mask. Okay, and then facing towards me, this part, to make it neat. Okay, then time to stitch. Okay, and then get your second tie. Then put it inside. Okay, just leave a little space here. Okay, extra. Okay, and then get ready to sew it. Okay, or stitch it. Oops. Okay, so it should be the other side. Now it's ready, so I'm going to cut it. Okay, so the other side, make it clean. Okay, so now my other side. Almost done here. Okay. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is my face mask. Okay. It's very neat. Okay, so you can do this style instead of using elastic. Okay, I know now we don't have place to buy elastic, so better to do this. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you are not yet my subscriber, and click like, okay, and share it. Okay, thank you, bye.